This is Annie with Creative Customized Programming, and in this video I will demonstrate how to create a new booking. So you have a couple ways to get to the booking, but the two most popular are to either press Booking from your main startup screen menu and then press New, or you can go through the customer page. So you can click on Customer from your main menu, click OK to see an entire list of your customers or search for a customer. Then from the customer page, you will go through the Booking tab. And then from here, you can hit the little plus sign in the top right-hand corner to add a new booking. If you go through the customer page, you can see your customer auto enters. If you have gone through the Booking tab, though, you will need to select the customer for the order. You can do that by just clicking on the customer line and then selecting the customer from the drop-down list. If you need to add a customer, you would use the New Customer button. The date has auto-populated with today's date. This is a field you can change just by clicking in the field and changing the date. Grower name you would only enter if this is a dealer or distributor order and you already know who the end user grower is going to be. From there, you can click in the grower name fields and it would drop down a list of customers that are associated with that dealer or distributor. Your bill to address pre-populates based on the customer, as does the ship to address. It defaults to the default ship to. You can change this by clicking on the ship to address and selecting any other address that is entered on the customer page. The grower address will also fill in if that customer price type is an end user price type or you have filled in the grower name field. The sales rep, dealer, and distributor boxes do auto-populate based upon the customer that is chosen here. Ship to date is used for reporting purposes if you have an estimated date as to when that customer is going to want this booking. Terms may pull in from the customer page if it is filled in on the customer page. Otherwise, you're going to want to select a term here. If you do not see the term you need, then contact the office personnel to add it in the system settings. Priority seed size can be marked if this particular customer doesn't want any other seed sizes on this booking when they ship it. The year, you're going to want to double check to make sure it is in the correct reporting year. Status, if you are a sales rep, dealer, or distributor, this is going to default to pre-booking, so the order can be approved by the office. If you are an office staff, it is going to default to just a booking status. Price type is going to carry in off of the customer page. However, this can also be changed per the order. PO number is just a line if your company uses it. It is not a required field. Delivery type is a setting that can pull off of the customer page or it can be changed per order. Then over here you have your split customer. This is if you wanted to add more than one customer who's paying the bill. So to add another customer, you would use the plus sign. You would then choose the customer from the drop-down list. And for percentage, 1 is equal to 100. So if you want, say, 50%, you would do 0.5. And then just press continue when you're finished. If you need to edit, if you've added a split customer and then need to edit, you can just click on the percentage and change the correct percent. The notes fields can be completed and then carried through to the booking confirmation, invoice, pick ticket, or delivery ticket. So next you're going to want to go to the line items tab to add an actual line item or multiple line items. The first thing you're going to want to see is filling in the booking type. If you have an early pay discount structure or a cash discount structure, this is where you would choose which discount structure to use. It is for the entire booking, so this isn't something you can change per line item. So if you need to actually do separate line items on different prepayment or early pay discount structures, you would need to create separate bookings for those lines. To add a new line, you're just going to hit the little plus sign, and then you'll see the add line pop over. You can search for a product by clicking in the product box, and then you can search by item name or class. We do recommend to use the item name to be a little bit more specific. If you use class, it can take a while to search because it is pulling up the entire class. The number over here on the right is the position for that product. It does take into account any POs as well as any bins that have been received or need to be received yet. You can then enter the quantity you want to sell for this particular order. Price, you can see it may pre-populate based on your customer price type and the prices that are in the product list. If you need to override that price, then you can fill in the price field. Otherwise, leaving it blank will pull in the price that you see on the right. You can then also add any line item notes or mark whether you want this line to not qualify for discounts. From here, Save and Close will just add this one line to the order. Save and New allows you to search for more products and add more products to the order. Once you have closed the popover, you will see your totals change. So it'll pull in your total line amount, any discounts that may be applied here previous to prepay or early pay or cash discounts. And then you can see your subtotal and your balance due. From here, you can print the confirmations or email the confirmations, but there is nothing you need to do to save this booking. Once you have added the lines, the booking is automatically saved in the system. So to get back to your customer page or the booking page, you would just click the logo for the back button, and that booking has been saved in the system, as you can see. If you have any feedback on this video, please email me at anastasia@creativecustomizedprogramming.com. Thank you.